Hey everyone, Julian here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you two methods for how to import offline content into your Authory archive. So the reason you might want to be doing this is because perhaps a piece of your content is behind a paywall or sign-up form, and you don't want the viewer you're sharing it with to have to go through that process to access it. Could also be that you once had a piece of content hosted on a certain link that's no longer live. Regardless of how you need to use this feature, I'm going to show you how to do it now. So let's jump right in. So the first thing we're going to want to do is from our content tab at the top here, just go on down in the lower left to our add content button. And in this menu, at the very bottom, there's an option that explicitly says upload PDF. And that's our first method for importing offline content into our Authory archives. So go ahead and click that. This is going to open the file directory on your computer or device, and then you just select whichever file you would like to import. Okay, we're going to be faced with this preview window here. Based on the formatting of the PDF, it's going to pick up the title of it, but you can actually remove that and change it to whatever you wish. There's also a description area here. This takes from the first written body content from within the PDF. So in this case, it picked up the beginning of the table of contents. But of course, up to 250 characters, you can jazz that up in any way you want. Then as with any new piece of content we're adding, we are going to choose a source. I'll just choose an example, and then we can choose a date. So we can make that retroactive or future, whatever suits our needs. Then we're going to go ahead and click Add. There we are. It's automatically going to show up on our My Content feed, but we can also add that to another collection. We can add another item, but for now, just to show it, I'm going to close. And here is our PDF. I'm going to click that. So it will load up depending on the size of the file. It might take a little bit longer to load there. Here we are, beautifully represented with each slide. And that is permanently in your Authory archive. So you wouldn't have to store that locally. You can share that in any way you wish by copying the link, and it's forever there. So convenient feature. That's the first method for importing offline content into Authory. Our next method is to actually just copy and paste offline content into the editor. So we're going to go back to our content tab at the top and down once again to the add content button. This time, rather than upload PDF, we're actually going to click on the write content option, and that opens our editor. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and I've previously copied some offline content, and I'll paste it here. Very simple. It'll show up images inline, high def, and it'll keep all the formatting maintained. Beautiful, simple, time-saving, and effective. Just give this a quick title. There we are. And then hit Publish Article. And there we are. We can share this article if we wish by copying link. It will automatically show up in our content feed. And of course, any designated collections, and we can add it to a new collection if you like. So hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.